feel the power. The night is ours. One more time.